That briefcase the fabricator made for Juniper. Well, that must be what he's been building toward. I've traced the mask you bugged to a castle in the Alps. If Juniper's there, the briefcase must be too. You need to find it and get it out of there. Well, one way or another, you're in. When you get back, you should get that eye looked at. That butler has a nasty left hook. Well, he can sleep it off in that box. On the bright side, his position is yours for the taking.
Hey, you. Tell Gibson to send that bottle I've been saving to the ballroom, and tell him not to forget the glasses.
You heard him, Gibbs. Careful, buddy. Juniper's in a real bad mood. Somebody broke into the fabricator's workshop.
Ha! Now's your chance. Convince them that you're this Gibson fellow.
Excellent. Hey, Gibson, send up the new mimic mask.
Mimic mask? It's down here, but where?
Oh, a victory party. My, aren't we feeling confident?
Give it a rest. I've got the last nuclear code. I've got this thing in the bag.
Do you? Then who ransacked my workshop? If it was your Agent Phoenix, well, if you screw this up, the good doctor is not going to be happy with you.
What's the holdup? Gibson, my new mask. Perfect. My plan is working. 24 hours from now, thanks to me, things are going to change. So I'm gonna savor every minute. The rest of you, I'm going to go enjoy my party, unless we are literally under siege. No interruptions.
Go work for Juniper, they said. He's not as bad as Zor, they said. He doesn't yell at the staff. Shut it. He might still have the radio on.
Sounds like Juniper buys your cover. Now, you've got to find a way for them to send you that briefcase. If we can get Juniper to panic, I bet he'll show us where the briefcase is.
Just a moment. What was that?
I don't know. It's probably a fluke, right? Another one! Whoever it is, they've got us surrounded.
Everyone on alert! We're under attack!
The agency must be here for the briefcase. Security team, how many are there?
I got no idea. 6? Maybe 8?
Oh, for the love of... Okay, everybody out! Jazz band, not you. You stay. Security team, with me. We can't let the agents find the briefcase.
6 against 1. Maybe you should even the odds.
Did anyone else hear that? Was that? No, it's probably nothing.
I think I heard something nearby. I'm gonna go check it out.
Where are they? I haven't seen a single agent. Security team, report in. Who's left? Damn it.
Maybe we should consider surrendering.
They can't have the briefcase! Wait, change of plan. Everyone who's still standing, cover me. I've got an idea. Gibson, I'm sending you the nuclear briefcase. Keep your head down and find a way out. I can act my way out of this, but whatever you
Do not let the Phoenix get their hands on it.
That must be the briefcase. Now, if you can just...
Gibbs, the boss said you'd need backup.
Red, the Phoenix is in here!
What? Boss, the Phoenix is in the wine cellar.
Agent, you need to find a way out of there.
It's all very clever, Agent, but your little game ends here.
Door's locked. And barred. Can't get in there.
What are you waiting for then? Turn on the gas!
Huh, it was working earlier. I think the tank's empty.
What? How did... The map. I can see the agent from here. Just shoot them.
No good. Can't see through the smoke.
Fine. Grenades it is.
Fire in the hole!
Yes, a way out! Come back to the van, quickly!
We need to get that briefcase to agency headquarters. If that Butler was right, the heads of state are still alive. We need to find out where.
Agent, do you still have the briefcase? Good, good. We need to get it to headquarters.